What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So guys, I'm here with Angel and Unique, and we are just trying to get the VR6 running back up and going. We got the intake off. We found out that the intake was not sucking in any air or anything, but we got to this point right here and we found out that
we actually got suction coming in.
We got suction coming in through the VR6 head. So now we're just trying to just see if we can get it going and just see like really what is the problem. Is it the head or is it just the intake? So if I can just replace the intake.
The fuel, you remove the
fuel relay.
Yeah, the fuel to the relay or the fuel to the...
So right now I just took out the fuel relay.
We don't get any, we're not looking for extra fuel. We're actually looking now to, we're gonna create our own fuel now.
Okay.
You have a piece of cardboard?
Alright, so guys, right now we're just doing an injector test to see which injectors are actually shooting, because we think we only have 3 injectors shooting. Yep, there's only 3 injectors. Yeah, only 3 injectors are shooting.
So that's your problem.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. You can see it right there. Only those 3 hit, and those 3 did not hit. So,
alright, so we're gonna rotate now one of these, put them in this one, and then kick again. But most likely we're having a communication issue.
Okay.
With the computer.
Okay. Alright, so guys, it's been a couple days now, and I waited for some things to come into mail because I wanted to give a couple things a try. So this is what I got. I bought another. So I got another one of those crank sensors that go in the front. And I did buy 3 new injectors, but only 1 came in the mail. So this is that sensor, and it's plugged in right there. And I swear this is my 2nd time changing out this plug, but I could have sworn I did this before. And this is the new one, so I'm just going to get that one stuck in down there, get it plugged in, put in the new injector, and let's just see what happens. Alright, so new crank sensor is in, and now let's just change out one of these injectors, because like I said, the other 2 I guess are in the mail. Only 1 came with Amazon, so let's just see. I don't know if I just said this, but I'm going to say it again. Either way, you see how these injectors look? So I ordered some new injectors, 3 new injectors, but I didn't realize how different these injectors were from the other ones. So the injector that I had bought ended up having like this piece on the bottom of it, this filter part, and I don't think this injector sits inside of the other piece that sits right here. So I don't think this injector is going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and start it with the new crank sensor in it, hoping that it was the crank sensor was the reason why only 3 didn't fire. And if not, I'll still wait for, I'll just go ahead and order 3 more injectors and hope that it was not the ECU that was the problem. And as far as the coupler go, I was just using a cheap one from AutoZone that I had bought when I first made the intake. So this is the one that I have bought, and this is the Mishimoto one. And this is the Mishimoto one. By now you guys should know how much I love Mishimoto parts, so I just had to have the Mishimoto coupler too. It even came with the book. It even came with the book that has all the Mishimoto parts and stuff in it. So hopefully one day I'll end up having all of this Mishimoto stuff on the Jetta. That would be super cool. I don't know, maybe. So just like that, that will sit on there like that. So I think I can just go ahead and fire her up. Now I am super nervous about shooting these injectors outside of the car like this, but I watched when Angel did it, and so hopefully I can mimic that same thing without catching a fire. I got a bucket full of sand right here ready to throw it on top of it. That's why sand is right there, because the last time we started this, trying to see what the injectors were doing, we ended up catching injector 3 on fire. So that's why sand is there. I used my blower to go inside and make sure there was no dirt or anything inside of the ports, the holes. So all of that should be good. So I guess now I can just plug the battery up, turn over the injectors, see if this injector will shoot now, because this is one of the new injectors. All 3 of those should shoot, and these 2 right here, hopefully they will shoot now, saying that I got a new crank sensor. So let's just see what happens. So check that out. These 2 injectors shot. Bum, bum. Even this one shot. And this is not even the correct injector. And seems like that one shot, that one shot, and that one shot. So it seems like all of the injectors did shoot after changing out the crank sensor. So that's one to keep in mind. If the crank sensor goes out, only 3 of the injectors will shoot, because I think this has something to do like with the computer or something like that. But I could have sworn I just replaced this crank sensor. I don't know. It just, maybe it just got ran over or something like that when I moved the car or something. But this is a brand new crank sensor. All the sensors on this car are new, but that is good to see now. All 6 of the injectors did fire. So I think I'm going to go ahead and change this injector out and put this injector back in, because like I said, these injectors are all brand new. All of these injectors are new, so there's no reason why they should not work. So I'm going to change this one back out and try it again. So I put that injector back in now, plugged it back up, and now we're just going to go ahead and try it now with all of the new injectors in. I don't know, now it seems like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 6 did not shoot. So I'm gonna try one more time. Now we're good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 injectors shot. So that is awesome. Guys, I think my camera's about to die now, but I did figure that situation out. So all 6 of our injectors are firing now, which is awesome. So I'll probably end up catching you guys in the next video when I charge my camera and everything. But feel free to comment down below and let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.